What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I finally got my hands on the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, and this is the green color. Not only that, but I also have the Galaxy Watch 4 in green. I didn't go with the Watch Classic, I went with just the Watch 4, and I also do have the Galaxy Buds 2. I'm super excited. So without further delay, let's dive right into the unboxing and my first impressions on the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. This will be unboxed for another video, and I will be dropping that as soon as you watch this. You're going to be watching this as well, hopefully. Anyway, let's dive right in. Okay, so looking at the box, it is much smaller than past years with the Z Flip series, and I did get rid of the tape here on the bottom just to save some time. But Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G is what it says, and it's in a green color. I'm super excited. Right now I have the Galaxy S21 right next to me. I did actually go with the trade-in, and I am going to be trading in my Galaxy S21 for the Z Flip 3. But in the meantime, we'll be making some videos and comparisons with this. But here we go. Flip the phone. Wow, this is nice. Like, that is super nice. Let's put that for the side right now. But just looking at the build, it's clean. Like, it feels super good in the hand. It's first impressions. It's a very tall phone. I mean, looking at the Galaxy S21, you can already tell, like, that is a pretty tall phone. Obviously, we're going to be using it as a flip and it's going to fold, but let's put that to the side right now. We will peel that in a sec. And the reason why these are so small is because once upon a time, Samsung was going at Apple for not including the charger in the box, but guess what? No charger in the box. We get the SIM ejector tool. And up here we should be getting just a quick start guide and a USB-C to C cable. And let's see what else we got. Right here we got the Galaxy Z Premier. All right, we'll put that to the side as well. And let's put the box to the side, because the important thing right here is the Z Flip 3 in all of its glory. Let's just listen to that. Let's just listen to this. Man. Yo, that is clean. That is a clean. I'm gonna say that again. A very clean phone. And just looking at it again, once again, and my S21 is obviously beat up. Looking at it again with comparison, it's a pretty large device. I have not folded it yet, but I can see there is a, what's it called? A screen protector that should not be peeled off is what is recommended. I have seen a couple people peel it off, but it shouldn't be peeled off is what it's recommended as, especially with past models too. Looking at the back, the back does have, this model does have the IMEI, so just gotta make sure I don't show that. Anyway, right here we got that 1.9 inch outer screen to show notifications and calls, and the great thing is you can answer calls while it's folded, but you cannot, you can talk as it's folded, but it will be in speaker. So if you want to pick up the phone, you just flip open your phone and you take your normal call, and to turn off or to end the call, you can just flip it like a normal flip phone. But here we go. Here's the first flip. Wow. Yo, that is super nice. Like, that is nice. So we got Samsung's branding in between the hinge right here. Looking at that, we got the SIM tray, and then we got the band. I believe this for 5G. USB-C, some speakers right here. We got the fingerprint sensor, which is embedded in the power button, as well as the volume rockers. And folding it back up, I like that. You can definitely see the crease right in the middle. And for me, the fingerprint sensor and the home button fits perfectly. The power button fits perfect where my thumb is. the volume buttons are a little bit too high up. But let's turn on the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and let's get it started up real quick and take a look at what this bad boy is all about. All right, so here is the Galaxy Z Flip 3. I did not fully set it up. I still have to copy everything over to the Galaxy S21 to obviously give you guys my full review later, coming probably the next month. I typically do a month reviews later with devices. Anyway, having this turned on, we got the 1.9-inch screen, which right now shows obviously no other notifications, but the time. We got a dual camera set up, and we also have this dual color. So it's a green up here, and obviously with the rest of the phone, and it's got this black top to it. I really wanted to get the white, but I was like, I don't know if I can wait an extra, couple 2 to 3 weeks. So, and I really did like the green as well. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just get the green. But looking at it turned on, this display it's all like, it's not the highest end display we're getting from Samsung. Definitely, it's not. But it is still super smooth, buttery smooth, and really nice. Because the reason why is it has 120 hertz refresh rate. I know the Galaxy Z Flip and the Z Flip 5G did not, but this does add 120 hertz to it. So coming from the Galaxy S21, there really isn't any difference. I don't see any difference, just a much taller display. I believe it comes in at 6.7. Correct me if I am mistaken. This does have, I believe, IPX7 or IPX8 water resistance, so it's not dust resistance, but they did seal the insides of the device for to give that water resistance. But obviously dust was the main problem for the original Z Fold. That's why it got delayed way back in 2019, and they just couldn't give that dust resistance. But they obviously have the hinges sealed here as well. Anyway, but just looking at this as it folds, it just folds super clean. Now obviously when you fold it, it's not going to give you 100% fold, like it's not going to completely fold. You'll still see like this opening right in between, but it becomes a super compact phone. Like imagine just carrying this phone, the Galaxy S21, imagine just a slab of glass and metal or aluminum, whatever, and just a smaller phone that's cut in half, carrying that with you. It's just so much more portable and just easier to use. A lot of people might struggle with opening it with one hand. That's what I'm going to struggle with too. It's not a one-hand device to open like older flip phones. But guys, then again, this is not like 2004, 2005 flip phones. This is a 2021 flip phone device from Samsung with a flexible display. That's crazy. I can't wait until we see other manufacturers coming out with these types of devices. Front-facing camera, rear-facing camera, they all are super, they're not the greatest, but they're super good. Like, they're going to get the job done. They're not going to compete with the big guys out there like Google Pixel, or they're not going to compete with even the S21 lineup, or even Apple iPhone 12 or the new iPhone 13. But, in essence, if you just want to take out your phone and take a photo or a video, the camera and the ultra wide will get the job done, as well as the front-facing camera too. But otherwise, my first impressions, it's a really solid phone. There is one thing I'm scared about, and that is the battery life. That is mainly because it has I believe, 3,300 milliamp hour battery, much smaller than even the 4,000 milliamp hour battery on the S21, which doesn't even last me all day. Like, I have to charge, it's already at 14%, and like, I charged it like 2-3 hours ago. This phone just dies out on me super quickly, and I'm afraid that this is going to as well. We'll have to see. This is just my first impressions. Otherwise, the feel of it, the build quality is super solid. I like I believe these are like aluminum rails on the side, but these are super clean. The glass back, it is, a fingerprint magnet, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I believe if you get the black color, that is a matte black, so do keep that in mind. But other than that, guys, it's a nice device. It's surely like this is going to be the mainstream. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G is probably going to be like the mainstream device into foldables now, because for 120 gigs, this is 120 gigs of storage, the base model, it is $999. Now, remember when the Z Flip first came out, the first gen, I believe it was $1,500. It was an expensive device, but they brought that down significantly. And for $999, you might be getting less storage. That's their takeaway. You get less storage, 128 gigs versus 256. I'm okay with that. I don't even use 120 gigs of storage anyway on my phones. That's a different story. But it's definitely a better upgrade. It's a cleaner, it's been given those upgrades that everyone wanted from the original Z Flip, a larger front screen. It's obviously more durable. You can definitely feel it crease in here too, but they say the screen, I believe, is 80% more durable. So it's got that durability feature. It's got water resistance. It's got a much cleaner build to it. Obviously, it's up to date with the processors and whatnot. So they have a lot of upgrades for a cheaper price, and this is going to be, I believe, the first mainstream device that's going to get people saying, "Hey, that is a nice a foldable that I can actually use day to day." And I'm actually going to be switching my SIM into the Z Flip 3, and I'm super excited to use this phone. It's just the battery that's scaring me right now, but other than that, I'm super excited to use the Z Flip 3 and use it with obviously like the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Buds 2, and compare them to various devices like the Galaxy S21. Or if you guys want to see other comparisons of devices, do let me know down in the description below as well, or in the comment section, not description, comment section down below. But that's been it from me. This I'm gonna call it camel green. This green, dark green, is a super sleek color. Let me just put it that way. It is a fingerprint magnet. Do remember that Samsung's exclusive colors, I believe, are a matte as well. That white one especially, that one is a matte color as well, a matte feeling. You're not going to be getting these fingerprints, as well as the black one. That is also a matte black. So do keep that in mind if you do plan on purchasing any of these new foldables. As for the Z Fold, that's for a different story, a different video, if I ever do pick up that device. But that's been it from me, from this quick unboxing and first impression. Super excited. I keep saying that, to use the device. Some people are asking me, what does it mean by clean? Like, wow, this is super clean. Like, I'm not talking about like physically, it's like super clean, but like it's a really aesthetically, I can't even say the word. It is a minimal device, a minimalistic, let's put it that way. And the build and design is just beautifully made. Like, that's what I mean by clean. It's beautifully made. Display is beautiful, stunning. Obviously, it's not the highest end display from Samsung. That's okay. Still has 120 hertz, and Samsung's known for its good displays. But just, I mean, look at that. Look, just listen to this. Oh, that's just so... It folds. It folds. Like, this is my first time holding a foldable device like in my hand. Obviously, I'm not talking about like checking them out in stores, but literally like holding it in my hand. That is just, I can't wait. I can't wait to use this device. That's been it for me. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to comment down below. Superman that like button, and best of all, share this video, as it does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more viewers. Guys, this is all thanks to you. These videos are possible because of you guys watching my videos, supporting the channel, liking and commenting and sharing. These are all thanks to you guys. I would not be able to do these types of videos if it weren't for each and every one of you who watch these videos and support the channel. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers. I can't wait. Super excited. A lot of great things are coming to the channel. This is tech season officially started. Let's get right into it. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.